Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is rebuilding Earth's future, the inner duty behind outer change. Ladies and gentlemen, the Earth in its quiet generosity offers more than what is asked of it. The sun rises unannounced, rivers carve paths with patience, trees bloom without revolt. Nature has never withheld abundance. It is the human rhythm that sometimes falls out of sync. What stands before the world today is not a collapse but a crossroads, a moment to pause, to witness the growing strain across systems and societies, and to respond not with blame but with balance, not with despair but with direction. This is not the end of stability. It is the beginning of a deeper responsibility. Across continents, the infrastructure that supports life, roads, railways, dams, energy grids, water systems, now reveals signs of fatigue. Much of it, built decades ago with vision and ambition, has aged without the care needed for continued safety and efficiency. Urbanization, demographic shifts, and population growth have redefined how cities and rural spaces function. Planning has often struggled to keep pace. What once symbolized progress now risks becoming a point of fragility, not due to lack of resources, but a decline in sustained attention. The digital age added another layer. While technology transformed communication and commerce, the physical world, its industries, its maintenance, its skills were quietly neglected. Transportation, manufacturing, public health, and many sectors now show signs of wear. Experienced hands have retired. Successors are still gaining ground. Beneath this surface lies a deeper imbalance. Unequal access to healthcare, clean water, education, and opportunities. Migration pressures driven by conflict, climate, or collapse have redrawn demographics. For many, the essentials of life remain just out of reach. Yet, the core of the issue may lie not in the systems themselves, but in the consciousness behind them. When vision is short, values drift. When leadership weakens, public trust fades. When duty is fragmented, outcomes fracture. Ancient wisdom, such as echoed in the Bhagavad Gita, offers a profound compass. Let action be rooted in purpose, not in reward. Let duty be performed with steadiness, not self-interest. This principle is more than spiritual, it is structural. When duty is aligned with the clarity and calm, transformation moves from idea to reality. What's the way forward? 5 guiding principles rise as foundations for the future: peace, safety, public welfare, equality, sustainability. These are not ideals, they are essentials. They serve as the cornerstone of civilization that endure. Rebuilding must begin with care, not just construction. Cities must be planned with empathy. Resources must be distributed with fairness. Infrastructure must be restored not merely for strength but for service. These are the new pillars of progress: visible, measurable, and meaningful. Realignment also means reawakening in leadership, in institutions, in communities, and within individuals. It means returning to a duty not as a burden but as blessing, a conscious responsibility to life itself. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the true crisis is not of resources but of alignment. The outer world reflects the inner state, and when the inner state is grounded in compassion, competence, and clarity, change becomes not only possible, it becomes natural. There is no need to chase miracles. The miracle is already present in the opportunity to rise, rebuild, and renew. Just as in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna reminded Arjuna, the warrior, to act not out of fear but from stillness. Today's world too awaits minds and hands that act not from noise but from wisdom, not with restlessness but with resolve. This is more than a call to repair. It is a quiet invocation for a new architecture of life. Bridges built on understanding, foundations set in fairness, and systems shaped by shared joy. In that alignment with nature's silent intelligence, the earth may yet reveal what it was always meant to be: a home that is safe, harmonious, and profoundly meaningful. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.